now for our bite of the week. It comes from a former sugarcane worker in Clarendon. He says everything has been lost since the sugar industry collapsed. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week brought to you by King Alarm. King Alarm, the obvious choice.
So you see, when the sugar locked down, everything dead. All my wife gone left me. When the sugar dead. You understand? When you run Ghana country, gone live with Netherman and Manchester who are playing food. So I don't make no money again to support him. So he have to run. I can't blame him. For him have to run for everybody want better. So you see, if this a factory come now and the man them serious, oh God man, things can't go on. You find everybody run up and down. You find more people are run shop. You find people are put up this, you find people are put up that. So you find little more things are going on and then look something different. Right now, don't dead, you know. Don't come like a cemetery, you know, see it, man.
Bite of the week brought to you by King Alarm. King Alarm, the obvious choice.
A very serious situation down here in South Clarendon, Kelisha.
Yes, I hope his wife returns
When
or
the sugar
someone.
returns.